go to y equals and graph 2x. Remember the x is the button right next to the green alpha button. To the fourth. And this is on your paper as well. I'm going to see if I can go to, see if this will work. 2x to the fourth. Plus x cubed. Minus 8x squared. Okay, you have on yours a zoom button. Oh, I don't see it on mine. Hit, after you have it typed in like I do up there at the very top, can't make it any bigger, hit zoom 6, which will automatically set your window to what I'm setting mine as right now. You can kind of see it. That's not very pretty. Yeah, I thought I'd try that on. Go back to what I had. So, let's see, it was 2x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 8x squared plus 2x plus 3. Zoom 6. Which is what we had on the other page. It just didn't look as easy to see, I think, as this one. Okay, so how many zeros on this page, or page, whatever, how many zeros are negative? It looks like 2. Now, it's hard to see, but, yeah, right here, 1, 2. But if I zoom in over here, I might be able to see the other 2. See how there's 2 positives as well? Here and here. I am going to take a picture of this, maybe. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So I wish I could get this on a blank page. Oh, I can. I can do this. I know I can. Oh, there it is. Cut. Oh, no, I should have cut it. Cut. Look at me. I don't know what a big deal this is. And maybe not. Just kidding. Oh, dear. Yay! All right, so looky there. All right. So I have 1, 2 negative ones, and I have 1, 2 positive ones. So the one that actually works is right here, that first one. I said put a star by it, circled it, whatever. Okay, so now we're going to kind of put all this together, because it was very spread out over the course of yesterday and today. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out how many possible positive or negative zeros, positive and negative zeros there are. So just looking at them the way they are right now, this will tell us how many positive zeros there are by the sign changes. So how many sign changes are there? 3. They're all 3 sign changes. So when I look at my positive, it can be 3 or what? 1. Then I have to figure out f of negative x, which just means I replace all those x's with negative x, and remember it's going to change its sign if it's an odd exponent, and it'll stay the same if it's positive. So this first one will stay negative, so it ends up being positive 2x to the 5th. Next one will be positive, so it's plus 2x to the 4th. Next one's negative, and it was already a negative, so it's going to be positive. And the next one ends up being positive. So how many sign changes are there? 0. Well, that's helpful. So the negative is, we know, is 0. Now looking at the graph, or not the graph, the equation, are there any zeros?
Yes.
Yes, because what can I factor out?
2x.
Yeah, 2x's, an x squared, right? So how many zeros are there? 2. Or 0. No, I lied. Exactly 2. That one's not like the positives. It's exactly 2 because each one of those is equal to 0. And then imaginary is what's left over. So I know positive is 3 or 1. I know the negatives are 0. I know the zeros, are always 2. And notice the degree is 5. So how many imaginary are there on this first one? 0, because 3 plus 2 is 5. I already have all 5 zeros accounted for. And on the next one, how many imaginary are there? 2. Yeah. And notice it's 2 or 0. It has to be an even amount. And it will always turn out like that. That's a good way to double check yourself. Okay, so we got to figure out which one works. So go into y equals and graph it. If you need help graphing, let me know. I'll come by and help you. You graph the original up here. You should be able to just hit graph now because your window is already set.